Hello. Thank you so much for coming to read with me today. My name is Kiki and I have so many fun stories to share with you. Today I would like to read to you There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. It's by Simms Taback. Oh goodness. And there she is. There's the old lady that swallowed a fly. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. There it is in her belly. Perhaps she'll die, but it's only a fly. I think I'll cry. She gulped it out of the sky. Oh my! There was an old lady who swallowed a spider. There's a fly already in her belly. That wiggled and jiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. Gone to the by and by. Oh, sigh. Oh. Now she has the spider and the fly in her belly. There was an old lady who swallowed a bird. How absurd! She swallowed a bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. She'll leave us high and dry. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. Imagine that. She swallowed a cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. I hope it's a lie. Look at how full her belly's getting. There's a cat and the fly and the spider and a bird. Lots of dogs on that side. There was an old lady who swallowed a dog. Oh my goodness. She went whole hog to swallow the dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. There's a tear in my eye. Oh goodness, her belly's getting quite big. There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. I don't know how she swallowed the cow. She swallowed the cow to catch the dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. I'd rather have ham on rye. And she had a frog on the sly. She did it in one try. There was an old lady who swallowed a horse. Look how full her tummy's getting. She died, of course. It was the last course. I'm filled with remorse. What's left to say? We'll miss her dearly. It's such a loss. She had no time to floss. She missed out on the sauce. Even the artist is crying. Moral of the story: never swallow a horse. There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly has been a favorite American folk poem, and it was first heard in the U.S. in the 1940s. Several different versions from Georgia, Colorado, and Ohio were collected for Hoosier folklore, but its true author remains unknown. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story with me. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to hear more stories, please hit subscribe. I have so many stories that I'd love to share with you, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.